In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions in Descript. Captions are an essential part of making your videos accessible and engaging for all viewers, including those who are hard of hearing or prefer to watch videos on mute. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to the Descript website. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. Otherwise, go ahead and click on the login button available at the top corner of the web page. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. You can sign in using your email address or, if you prefer, with your Google account. If you are already logged into Google, you can just click on your account from the list. Once you've logged in, you'll be presented with a dashboard containing all your projects. Next, you need to select the project you want to work on. You can either choose an existing project from the list displayed or start a new one. For those of you working on a new project, make sure you have your voiceover or script ready since captions are best applied this way. If you've chosen an existing project, ensure that it's one with a voice component for optimal results. Once you have your project open, look for the option to add captions. This feature is usually found within the Editing Tools menu. Click on Captions, and a few options should appear. Here, you'll need to decide whether you want to apply captions to all scenes or specific scenes. If your video has different sections with different topics, applying captions to selected scenes might be more beneficial. However, if you wish to maintain consistency, applying them to all scenes is a great choice. After deciding on the coverage, it's time to choose a highlight or an emphasis that best suits your project. Think of how you want the captions to enhance the viewer's experience. Perhaps you want some words more prominent than others, or maybe you want a cleaner, more uniform look. Remember that the captioning feature will only work if your project includes a voiceover or a script, so ensure you have one or the other before trying to enable this option. To wrap things up, remember to save your project intermittently to prevent data loss, and review the captions once applied to ensure they sync well with the audio. Captions are a wonderful tool to increase the accessibility and watchability of your content, and Descript makes it straightforward to apply them. That's it for today. Now you know how to add captions in Descript efficiently. Happy editing!